Okay, my name is Welcome Brown. Here I'm going to show you some procedures which is important for surgery because as you appreciate here, there are different materials which is needed by surgery. I'm veterinary surgeon, so I'm doing this video because my students has been asking repetitively. So this video should appreciate them so uh, they can see the procedures on the YouTube. So here is in the today's video, let me show you bandage preparation. Bandage preparation. Here there are instruments that are used for bandage preparation. Let me start from the materials, which is known as bandage scissor, which is used to cut the bandage. Okay, or I mean the gauze during the preparation. So of course, for bandage preparation, the important thing is the gauze. There is a gauze, and there is a cotton. You see the cotton. This is a small size cotton. So this is an easy procedure. So simply you can take certain amount of the cotton, and this cotton should be sandwiched with the bandage. I mean with the gauze. So here it is the procedure. Okay, after you put certain amount of cotton with on the bandage. I mean. Gauze, so you can make the sandwich shape bandage like this. Okay, then okay, again here is the cotton. Here is the cotton. Okay, you can take certain amount of cotton, and which must be sandwiched here. Okay, like this, and like this, we can make the bandage for surgery. Now, after you mix this bandage before surgery, this must be prepared preoperatively before surgery. So once you start the surgery, this material is used to control bleeding. Okay, that is what we call mopping, especially when you mop surgical field like this with this material, so it can clarify the surgical field free from the bleeding. Okay, so that further incision may be applied on the body of the animal. So this is a simple way of preparation of the bandage by using the gauze and the cotton here, and also there are different materials as you try to see here. There are surgical instruments and antiseptic solutions that can be used for site preparation preoperatively. Also, there are the sprays and fluids that is used in surgery. So, in the coming videos, I'll try to incorporate every step. So, this is the simple way of preparation of the bandage. Thank you for your contributions and attention.